here in the Molex booth at DesignCon 2017, and I'd like to show you one of the demos that we've constructed for the show in working with our partner Credo Semiconductor. Credo develops very high-speed electronics to drive serial channels. This particular demonstration offers a 35 dB margin. We're running at 56 gigabit PAM4 speeds, and we're able to implement an 8-meter cable. Typically, in most applications where we have an inter-rack connection, top-of-rack switch to file server, 3 meters is adequate to satisfy 90% of those needs. Being able to extend passive cable lengths to 8 meters really opens up the door to us for further applications, even intra-rack connections that are still economically implemented by using passive copper. So that's what this demonstration is intended to show: an 8-meter cable running at an acceptable error rate over 35 dB margin, a 56 gigabit PAM4 interface. Another product that I'd like to point out is QSFP-DD. This is a brand new development that Molex is working on. This is one of our initial cables. This happens to be a mechanical prototype. QSFP-DD takes the existing QSFP format, adds 4 additional lanes so that we can port out all the high-speed lanes that are supported by the new silicon that's being developed for Tor applications. As you can see, the cable is actually rather flexible considering the number of lanes and the number of conductors that are involved. This is a 1-meter prototype basically. Molex is developing SMT connectors, cages, heat sinks, 2x1 stack products. We will implement 2x2 stack products as well. Further down the road, we intend to implement a new technology in conjunction with QSFP-DD that Molex has developed that we call bypass. Essentially, we take the optical module output, and rather than sending it through the board to the ASIC, we cableize from the back of the connector and take that cable interconnect to a near ASIC connector. This allows us to reduce the loss in the channel. It can eliminate the need for costly board materials and can offer overall performance enhancement and the potential for aggregate cost reduction for a customer's application.